Hello everyone, this is Charles Phillips with McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people. Today I'm going to show you how to change the lane departure alert settings in the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. So it's really simple right here on the left side of the steering wheel near all of your cruise control function buttons right here. So you'll see this button right here. Looks like a car inside the lanes on the road, and the indicator light lets us know that that feature is on. So if we hit that button again, turns the feature off, and you'll also see in your driver information screen, little icon comes on down there, same icon as we have on the steering wheel. So there it is, guys, the lane departure feature in the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LT. Come see us here at McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people.